scorpion-shaped flowers exhibit an innocent elegance with its pure white color. It has a distinctive musky scent. Orchids have therapeutic abilities and are effective in healing our minds with its exquisite scent. Since decades ago, they have also been known to contain medicinal properties and are frequently used to promote good health. Let's find out more about the therapeutic orchids in Oriental 1. Possessing a sweet, delicious cinnamon fragrance, this orchid carries medicinal effects that could help detoxify and remove excessive heat from our body system, stop bleeding, and reduce swelling. The whole of this beautifully hued orchid is used in decoctions as remedies for asthma, coughs, and heart and lung diseases. Usually collected in the autumn, it is then sun-dried and stored for future use. Caviar, ginseng, and clove are some of the additional ingredients included in Oriental 1 to enhance its level of beauty and complexity. Caviar. Most people would know this as a truly luxury delicacy of an expensive gourmet of salted fish eggs, a novelty note in perfumery. It is synthetically created for a savory and iodine-like aroma, adding a unique underlining hue in the composition. It is used to evoke feelings of luxury, elegance, and sophistication, characteristics every perfume is trying to achieve. Warm, sweet, and aromatic, cloves have the tendency to remind us of our favorite festive holiday, Christmas. Their scent qualities aid in lending warmth and character to fragrances, which is what made them popular in spicy, woody Oriental perfumes. Traditionally, cloves have been used to their various medicinal values, ranging from anti-cancer to antimicrobial activities. When consumed, it can also support a healthier digestive system. Confident, alluring, seductive. This fragrance composition is ideal for the sensuous, modern woman.